Hi, my name is Melissa. I'm going to post a quick review of the Kidkraft Metropolis train table. So this is my first time posting a review of a product of any sort, so please bear with me. My son is finally napping, so I thought like I said, take this opportunity to post this video. This is the train table that we got my son for Christmas about 3 weeks ago. Needless to say, he absolutely loved it. Us, I don't know, we have mixed reviews on it. The good side to it is, like I said, my son absolutely loved it. The downside to it is that, as you can see, it's kind of a pain because it falls apart very, very easily. Now, our son is a 2-year-old toddler that doesn't understand what patience means, and so he kind of gets flustered sometimes when it falls apart and we're not always around to help put it back together. So, as you can see, upon recommendation from on Amazon, we got the short clips over here to what these do is it slides on. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but it slides on just like that. And put this together, and you slide it over, and it clips on just like that. So this way, it does not fall apart. As you can see, because that short clip is on the table, it falls apart a lot. And as you can see over here too, this falls apart. Now, we're unable to put the short clip onto this part because of this backing over here. We can slide the short clip on SureTrack, I believe it's called, onto here. So this part falls apart a lot, and these little and these little suspension bridges over here that comes with this kit, like I said, one little knock from a 2-year-old toddler and it comes falling down. So we spend, I don't know, I would say 10, 15, 20 times a day putting this back together. Now, why haven't we glued it? It's because I've read that as my son gets older, he's going to want to, build his own, creation of a track over here himself. So, this train table comes with, like, I believe over 110 parts, and it took my husband, whom is very, very handy, 2.5 hours, almost 3 hours to put together himself. So one thing I want to mention is, amongst other things I would say, this part here, this little, it's a 2-piece board. It's a very thin board that you just place on top of the table, and as you can see, it's not aligned, and you see it more here. It's not aligned, so yeah, it's not that big of a deal, but I thought I'd mention it. So you see some of the trains that you see on the table here, like these over here, it does not come in the kit. What does come in the kit is like, it's I don't have it here, but it's kind of plastic, cheapy looking, like something like this over here comes with the table. I don't know, like I said, it's very plastic, very cheapy and whatnot. Now, the table itself, it's decently made. As you can see, it's already been scratched up, and we've had this table for less than 3 weeks. What I do like about this table is this big, huge, ginormous trundle, trunk, whatever you call it. It stores a lot of toys, and so, as you can see, we have stored some of our throw blankets in it. I'm sorry. Okay. The one thing we did get is a little carpet from IKEA for $15 to place beneath the train table because the trains were constantly dropping onto the floor very easily, like 50 times a day, and it was like scratching up our hardwood floor. So it's worth it just to spend $15, like I said, on that little rug. So anyway, I hope I didn't miss out on anything, but yeah, you know, it's great, but it's a lot of work, and it's constant work throughout the day to maintain it. And I gotta go now because this little guy here is starting to get impatient. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope to review more products in the near future. Take care. Bye.